Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're here at the Ashford Model Railway Education Centre. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you around the centre, show you all the layouts, and obviously we'll see what this is all about. So you might recognise these guys. So they're the Railwaymen of Kent, and they won at the Great British Model Railway Show in 2019. So they've got some of the layouts there. I know there's a Harry Potter themed one. So yeah, join me as we have a look around the Ashford Model Railway Education Centre. So as soon as you step into the centre, guys, you are greeted with such an array of layouts. There is just so much quality here. It is really hard to digest as soon as you do walk into the centre, and it really is such an impressive collection. Now, all the walls are completely decorated with old Triang and Hornby railway locos. There is a whole cabinet there full of rolling stock and various different locos from all gauges, and even some ERTL Thomas in the mix. You will also find various different railway memorabilia from all packs, even to some old die-cast models of buses from Hornby. Now, some of the layouts realistically are some of the best layouts I think I've ever seen. Now, this one, for example, is Airlink Southeast. This is just an incredible layout depicting a runway there with all the aeroplanes. Now, this one was actually commissioned for Channel 4, and they really did this, and it's a 10 by foot layout, and it is just an incredible layout. Boudica Park here, this is an absolute incredible layout. Now, this was actually third in the Great British Model Railway Challenge, and then of course obviously you move on to Harry Snotter, which was the second semi-final of the Model Railway Challenge. Now finally you do move on to Surprise Surprise. Now that was the one that actually won it, but we will get onto that later in the video. And like I say, the title of the video, there is even potentially the newest 5-inch gauge miniature railway in the country, the Spitfire line, out in the car park. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to show you some footage of the trains running around, and also this one here, you will get a sneak peek. This is going to be at the Ashford Model Railway Show that is going to be later on this year in April in Kent. So other than that, enjoy the trains.
That's the size of your door, so you're going to have one oval going around the outside and then another one inside. I think we want a second and a first version. So that most of those will run around the second version. You're in right. I've got the little smoky giant. This is what's similar to this is an 8 by 4. That would be inside
Now this one is called Bespoke Model Railway, Loop in the System, directed by Daniel Wolf, and features fun fairs, heavy industry, legal protests, illegal raids, and even a broken UFO amongst it. Absolutely incredible. And here comes a Class 20.
So the ideal
So this layout here, guys, is Boadicea Park. Now this was built in Heat 3 of the Great British Model Railway Challenge in 2019. So they've got 3 of their layouts here that were from the show. I was a big fan of that show, and these guys actually did win it in the end, the Railwaymen of Kent, and we'll see that layout in a little while. But look at this layout, guys, absolutely incredible, and I love that little tram going around. This layout here, guys, is for Ashford Castle, and it's under construction for the Ashford Festival of Model Railway this year. So if you do go to that festival, you will see this.
It's just, that is just the one. Yeah, well done. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you.
Surprise, surprise. Absolutely incredible.
Yeah, from the wall.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, of course it is. Oh, the number 60.
We've got a local. Yeah.
So now guys, to finish it off, we're going to have a ride on the 5-inch miniature railway they've got here out at the back of the car park.
That's it, ready? You can look out now.
Hi, Nana. Hi, see you in a few seconds.
I think that guy, what's that,
Hold me up there, I can't reach it.
You didn't see me look at mine, did you?
That's right, I don't say that.
That's been our little trip here to the Ashford Model Railway Education Railway Centre, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed that. And like I said at the end there, we went on the Spitfire line, the little 5-inch gauge railway, loads of amazing layouts. And you know, all they rely on is obviously donations of second-hand model railway parts, and obviously everything, all the funds in the cafe from the tea and coffee and everything that they sell in there all goes to the upkeep of the building, and obviously helps them to expand in the future. So please give them a visit. But other than that, amazing place. Really hope you've enjoyed that. On to the next one. See you guys.
Thank you.